What you mean? What you mean your hood? Elmo. What you mean Elmo? What am I doing in Elmo?
You know how to yap and shit?
Me?
Yeah. What's your name? What's your name? Say your name.
What you mean? What's my name? What's my name, guys? He said Dicky.
Oh.
Whatever. Yo, that's not even worth putting on World Star. I thought he was gonna smack him or some shit.
That nigga drunk.
What the fuck? I just
What you said?
He's drunk. No, that nigga, I don't even know, son. This nigga just said Africa.
Oh, everybody wanna. What? I think everybody like you, son. They wanna go to Africa.
Wait.
Cause you know.